Imagine your liver as a barrel. Now picture that barrel in your mind. Fill the barrel with all the things you put in your body. What are your favorite foods? Throw them in. Your favorite drinks? Throw them in too. Now go further. What products do you put on your skin? Moisturizer? Deodorant? Perfume? Do you take any medications? Stick those in there as well. That barrel is starting to get pretty full. Now imagine your barrel has a tap at the bottom. When your barrel is working optimally, what you add in is processed and then released through the tap. But what happens when the tap gets plugged? You keep adding things in more and more until all of a sudden the barrel can't deal with everything you put in and it begins to overflow. This point of overflow is critical. It's been termed the toxicity-induced loss of tolerance, the point in which your barrel reaches a threshold where your body and your immune system can't deal with the toxins it encounters anymore. It's at this threshold where you might start to notice symptoms such as headache, fatigue, depression, or brain fog. Even worse, neurological conditions, especially in children, can be triggered, such as developmental disabilities, ADHD, and autism at a frightening rate. This overloading of your system may not come solely from foods that you're sensitive to or the pesticides that might be on your fruits and your vegetables, but also in your everyday environment. Carpet, paint, cleaning supplies, exhaust fumes, and phthalates from plastics all can contribute to this toxic load. Many people who develop multiple chemical sensitivities may also have a genetic impairment to their body's natural detox system called the cytochrome P450 pathway, which can make their symptoms much worse when their barrel capacity has been breached. What are a few ways you can protect your brain and your body from these toxins? You can increase your nutritional status so that your barrel is more efficient and you're able to process the toxins more readily. This includes choosing organic foods or the clean 15 whenever possible, and avoiding the dirty dozen. Renovating your house, research green building products. And when your mother said, eat your vegetables, she was right. More specifically, eat your cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale have toxin-fighting phytochemicals, which help activate detoxification pathways in your body to help regulate the emptying of the so-called barrel, and your brain can have a more optimal environment to function as a result. So I encourage you to take a look at your environment and your food. What are you putting in your barrel? What could you do to make your barrel more efficient and healthy? And as healthcare providers, it is imperative that we consider toxicity-induced loss of tolerance as a potential route to many of the mental, emotional, and neurological pathologies that may present to us, so that we can do our very best to educate patients and to treat the whole person.